In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the phone field from the Shopify contact form. Whether you're tailoring your contact form to be more concise or ensuring only essential information is collected, this guide will walk you through the process in a few simple steps. Let's start by making our way to the Shopify admin panel, where we'll focus on the online store section. Now, once you're there, take a look towards the bottom of the left-hand sidebar and find the option labeled Themes. Click on it, and you'll be directed to a page displaying your current theme, which is the overall look and feel of your online store. Look for a small button depicted as ellipses, often just beside your current theme, and give it a click. This button will unveil a drop-down menu, and from this menu, you need to choose the option titled Edit Code. This action will open up the code editor, where you can delve into the back end of your Shopify store to make necessary adjustments. With the code editor open, think of it as your workspace for editing the different elements of your website's theme. You're going to search for the contact form file within the list of theme files. Typically, these file names will contain the word contact, making it relatively easy to spot. Once located, open this file in the code editor. Inside this file, our goal is to find any references to the phone input field, which is integrated into the Format Liquid template. Now, on to the next crucial step. In order to locate the right piece of code, you can use the search function provided within the code editor. This function usually appears as a small magnifying glass or as a search file option. Use this feature to efficiently pinpoint any occurrences of the word phone. As you scroll through the code, pay close attention to the sections specifically dedicated to creating an input field for phone numbers. Here comes the part where you need to make your edit. There are two main routes you can take. You can either delete the section of code entirely, which involves removing everything related to the phone input, or you have the option to hide it using HTML comments. To hide it, simply wrap the relevant code in opening and closing comment tags. This way, you don't lose the code entirely, allowing for easy reactivation in the future, should you need the phone field once more. And now, after making these changes, remember to save your modifications. You'll find a Save button at the top of your code editor. Clicking Save ensures that all your hard work isn't lost and that your contact form will now appear without the phone field. By following these simple steps, you've successfully customized your Shopify contact form to better suit your needs. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tips and tutorials on optimizing your online store.